Hello, this is Raisno. So on this video, I'm gonna make another little extra tutorial video of Java and explain how to play sound effect on your game or any program you are making. Yeah, I've received several requests for this video, and yeah, I'm sorry this video has been this late, but yeah, let's begin. So first let's make a new class, a new project, Java project. So yeah, I'm gonna make another sample program, simple sample program. So the project name, I'm gonna name this as play sound and finish, and play sound, and let's make a new class. Class name is whatever, like sound, and finish. And first new sound, okay, and yeah, it's just a preparation, usual stuff, public sound. Okay, so, and the first I'm gonna make another window, so it's just the same thing. Yeah, like using JFrame, and I'm gonna make sample window. So we have done this several times already, so if you think you already know this, then you can skip this part. So yeah, window and new JFrame window, set size 800, 600, window, set default, close operation, JFrame, exit on close, and window get content pane, set background color black, and window set layout null. Also container com, and com window get content pane, import, and color too. Yeah, so if you are not so sure what these mean, then please check my previous videos. So I've already explained how to make this window and stuff. So okay, and window set visible true. Okay, window part is done. So yeah, this is like a usual stuff we have already done 2 times, 3 times already. So, and so we created this window, sample window. So we are going to use this window to play sound and music. Okay, and now yeah, this is also like a usual stuff. Yeah, we are going to make another J panel, and I'm gonna name this as a bottom panel, and import. So we're gonna make this panel here, bottom panel, call new J panel. Yeah, I'm sorry this is a bit redundant, I think, but just a moment please. Panel set bounds, and this time I'm gonna use 300, 300, 200, 100, bottom panel, set background color, let's choose blue for now, and add this to this container. bottom panel. Yeah, so we made this panel, and now we're gonna make a bottom and place it on this panel. So okay, J bottom. I'm gonna name this as sound bottom and import. And now sound bottom equal new J bottom and sound bottom set focus painted. This is not absolutely necessary, but I prefer this way without focus painted. And so yeah, let's add this button to this bottom panel. Bottom panel add a sound button. And let's type some text here. I'm gonna type this as sound effect. So this is like a button title. So yeah, let's check this. So like this, yeah, sound button has been created. Yeah, and let's change this to black. Okay, so I'm thinking to make a program that if you click this button, then you can hear some sound effect. That's what we're gonna create this time. It's very simple program. And so first we need to prepare like a sound effect file, just as we did when we displayed images. Like we prepared a JPEG file, and so now we need to prepare some sound effect file, whatever sound you want to play. Okay. Okay, and so I prepared this file, this retro click, this sound, like a click sound, like old style, like a NES or old computer game kind of click sound. So if you search on the internet, then you can find a lot of websites that provides free sound effect file. So yeah, you can find a lot of sounds like a click sound or like a attacking sound or opening door sound or something like that, or footstep sound or whatever. So but this time we're gonna use this retro click sound. And so first we need to place this sound file into our project. So just like we did when we displayed the pictures last time. So on this project name, right click on this project name and new and folder, and we're gonna make another resource file res, folder name res, and finish. So yeah, we created this resource folder, and so we're gonna put this sound file into this folder, copy files. So yeah, now this retro click WAV file is inside of this resource folder, so now we can use this. So yeah, let's go back to the program. And okay, first I'm gonna make a string here, string, and named this like click sound. And here I'm gonna use this click sound and equal, click sound equal, double quotation, and dot slash slash res slash slash and retro click dot wav and semicolon. Yeah, basically, so this is the location of this retro click file. So we just specified file, and yeah, basically this file is now inside of this string. But to play sound effect, we need to do a little more preparation. Next step is we're gonna make another class here. So public class, and I'm gonna name this as a sound effect. So sound effect class. And first we're gonna type clip, and name this as whatever you want, like my clip or anything, but I'm gonna just name this as clip, and import this, import clip. So clip is imported, javax sound sample clip. So we're gonna use this clip to play the sound effect. And the next is we're gonna make several methods. So, and the first method is public void, and it is called set file, and the string, and name this like sound file name. Yeah, this is gonna be a bit complicated, but let me type everything first, and then try bracket and file, and we're gonna name this as like a file. Yeah, you can choose whatever name here for this file, and equal new file, and inside of this bracket we're gonna type sound file name, same here, this one, and import this file. And the next line is audio input stream, and we're gonna name this as whatever, but sound maybe, and audio system dot get audio input stream, and bracket, and inside of this is file, same here. And we also need to import this audio input stream. Okay, so this sound is also, you can choose whatever name you want. And next line is we're gonna use this clip equal audio system dot get clip, and the next line is clip dot open and sound is this one. Okay, and then here outside of this try we're gonna type like this, catch exception e, and here, okay, like this. And so this set file method is done, and you don't need to type anything inside of this catch. So this is like just like how to say, default format. Yeah, I'm gonna explain a bit more later, but yeah, inside of this try thing, basically we preparing this sound effect file, as this method name says, like a set file. And we're gonna use this method a bit later, so yeah, let's move on for now. And then here we're gonna make another method inside of this sound effect class, and this method is public void and play. And this time we don't need to type anything inside of this bracket like this. And so, and here we're gonna type two lines here. The one is, first line is clip set frame position and 0, and the second line is clip dot start. Okay, so yeah, this sound effect class is done. This class will be the key to play this sound effect file. So we're gonna use this class a bit later, but we're gonna do one more thing to finish this program. And so since we created this and this button, so we want to play a sound effect by clicking this button. So just like we did for those choice button clicking in our previous videos, so we need to write the result of this button clicking. So we're gonna make another handler class here, public class, and I'm gonna name this as like a button handler, and implements action listener, and public void action performed action event. So yeah, we have done this before already, so nothing new here. So and let's import this action event, and listener, and import this one too, and also button handler, b handler, and a new button handler. So we named this button handler class as a b handler, and so we're gonna add this b handler to this sound button. Yeah, here sound button, add action listener, and b handler. So yeah, this way, so when you click this sound button, then this button handler class will be called, so we can type some result of this button clicking here inside of this action performed. And also one more thing, I'm gonna make this sound effect class, this one. So I'm gonna name this class as like SE, new sound effect. So basically this SE means this sound effect class now. So we can use this SE to use some methods inside of this sound effect. Yeah, I'm gonna show an example. So here I'm gonna use this SE here, and SE dot and set file, and inside of this bracket now it says sound file name. It means here sound file name. So I'm gonna use this one, click sound. This is a string, click sound. This is where is it? This one, string. And inside of this click sound, it contains this the location of this sound effect file. So yeah, let's copy this and paste inside of this bracket. And the next line is se dot play. Okay, and that's everything. It's done. So okay, first let's check the program. Okay, and if you click this, can you hear this sound? So yeah, so if you click this button, then sound effect, this retro click WAV is played. So you can play this sound effect by clicking this. So let me explain a little more about how this is working. So basically we already know about this handler and these things. So the new thing is this part, right? So in this program, when you click this button, then this action listener be handler. So button handler class will be, how to say, like activated. And so this is the result of this button clicking. And so the first line is se.setFile and click sound. So what this means, so this se means this sound effect class, and this means setFile is this setFile method. So this se.setFile means, so yeah, like let's call, sound effect class setFile method dot setFile and bracket. So what's this bracket? Click sound. So so if you look at this set file, it has bracket, and inside of this bracket it says string and sound file name. So this means basically this set file method can receive a string information, and so you can send some string information to this set file method. And in this case, we are sending this click sound. This is also string, so this one. We are sending this click sound to this set file method. So this set file is receiving this click sound and name it as sound file name. So basically this sound file name is equal to this click sound in this case. And so, and this is also sound file name. And so yeah, this set file name receive this click sound, basically this one. So this little click verb information, and set this information as this file. So basically inside of this try, this method is loading this sound effect file. So now you can play this, preparation is done, so you can play this file. So yeah, this is really complicated, like a file and audio input stream, audio system, a lot of new stuff, but basically this is like a default format to prepare this file. So if you change inside of this bracket, then it can load like a different sound effect file. But in this case we have only one sound effect file. And so then there is another method. This is called play. With this first line, the preparation is done, so file is set, and so now you can play. This means, okay, let's call this play method inside of this sound effect class. So this play method. So now it's gonna play this sound file. So yeah, so you can play this sound effect file. So first you need to set file, then you can play. So like there are two steps. Yeah, so that's how you play sound effect. I hope my explanation is enough for you to understand this. On the next video we're gonna try to play not sound effect but the music. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching, and see you again. Bye.